Thanks for joining us. Karen is off. After more than 6 months without a new contract, teachers toughened their stance this week, going work to rule. That means they work their contract hours and no more. Also this week, a mediator joined both sides at the bargaining table after 7 months of failed negotiations. CTN's Steve Antis has the latest.
Anoka Hennepin Education Minnesota Teachers Union President Julie Blaha has kept a blog of each bargaining session they've had with District 11. It's been a part of the union's effort to make negotiations more transparent.
If people see kind of the inner workings of how we're trying to come to a settlement, I think they'll be supportive.
The public turned out for each bargaining session. However, that move failed to produce a new 2-year contract for teachers in Anoka Hennepin who have worked without one since July. On Wednesday, a state mediator was brought into the bargaining session behind closed doors.
We each went to separate rooms, and then the mediator spent time individually with each group going over our priorities and then sending kind of information back and forth and trying to get a sense of what will help us get us moving.
According to the Teachers Union president, 60% of teachers in the district haven't seen a pay increase in 4 years. In earlier sessions, the Teachers Union had asked for a 2.5% salary increase. The district proposed a 1% increase in the first year for certain teachers and a 1.5% increase in the second year. And on health insurance, District 11 proposed a freeze on current contribution rates. Members would have to pick up any future increases.
They're funding any increase they offered by cutting health care benefits and increasing the length of time it takes to move through our salary schedule.
Mary Olson, Director of Communications for District 11, says both sides have agreed not to talk about specifics during mediation.
All I can say is that both sides met. They are working on coming to agreement or continuing to bargain in good faith.
There are 2 more mediation sessions scheduled between the school district and the teachers union in February. By the way, Anoka Hennepin is not alone. Mediators have been brought in both Minneapolis and St. Paul to try to reach new teacher contracts. Steve?
All right, Steve.